What if you could turn a simple text prompt into a polished motion design and then dynamically adjust all settings live, all in one place?
Historically, graphic animation has been slow, expensive, and hard to revise. Until now. This is Higgsfield Vibe Motion, and it fundamentally changed how we make videos. I'm Adil, and in this video, we'll look at how this tool combines the reasoning of Anthropic's Claude skills and a real-time editing canvas. I'll show you how to turn a static logo into a full ad campaign in seconds, and I'll walk you through the Vibecoding feature that gives you total control. And make sure to stick around till the end for a very pleasant surprise. Let's dive right in. Once you're on the website, click Vibe Motion. Here you can select one of the presets. We'll get into them later. Let's first try one from scratch. I'm gonna upload our logo and keep the prompt very simple. Animate this logo in stroke glow style, and Higgsfield AI is revealed below it. And just like that, we have a super clean animation and it followed the prompt perfectly. So what is this essentially? Think of it as vibe coding for motion design. This new model doesn't just generate a flat video file that you're stuck with, it generates a editable dynamic project. But here's what sets it apart from Sora or Veo. Usually AI gives you a fixed output, and if you don't like it, you have to re-roll and hope for the best. Higgsfield gives you an intent-driven creative system. You get a result, and then you can tweak everything. Change the font, the colors, the layout, and more. All in real time. And the more details you give it, the better the output. For example, here we have a really long prompt. Let's see how Vibe Motion handles it. Okay, just like that, we have a curated motion graphic. The text is rendered perfectly and the transitions are smooth. But watch this. This isn't a video file yet. It's being rendered in real time. I can select the text and update the values. And change the background color just a tiny bit. It updates instantly. I'm effectively directing the AI, not just prompting it. It also has deep knowledge of real-time data. For example, let's try something like gather performance metrics for Higgsfield AI and animate it into a chart in the company's brand colors. Look at that. All the information seems accurate. It maintained our brand color and even cited its sources at the bottom. This is the perfect tool for a solo creator who can't afford expensive motion design for their videos. And here's what's wild. You can upload any file type. For example, let's upload these SVG files of the models available in Higgsfield, as well as our own logo in PNG format. And we'll ask for start with the word Higgsfield in a neon yellow-green glow, centered on a black background. Transition to a horizontal row of 10 uploaded icons, flickering into view. Then zoom into a single square Higgsfield logo that pulses with light. Finally, show the hashtag join Higgsfield right now being typed out with the cursor, all maintaining a vibrant neon green glow and a sleek, high contrast aesthetic. Look at that. All the logos, text, everything is just perfect. And the animation is beautiful. This could easily go on the website right now. The learning curve here is practically flat. If you can write a sentence or drag a slider, you're basically a motion designer. That was easy mode. Now let's try something harder. I have a list of project briefs that my motion designers received from different companies. I'll change the names and some of the assets to keep them anonymous. Let's see if we can bring them to life using Vibe Motion. First one is for a bougie rock festival in Japan. Huge event, tons of artists, massive stages. The client wants Instagram reels, not boring, static posts. They want the vibe, the energy, and the festival details all front and center. This time, let's test the poster preset. We'll keep the input empty since we didn't receive any assets. For the description, we'll go with an Instagram reel showcasing the Bougie Rock Festival. Use a purple background with a Japanese torii gate to set the atmosphere. Animate the festival name, date, and location clearly so they're easily readable. There we go. Very clean animation, the text rendered perfectly, and it's basically Instagram ready as is. This finally bridges the massive gap between Canva templates, which are too rigid, and After Effects, which is way too complex. This is the perfect middle layer for high-end content at scale. Next one is from a company called Nova Home, which makes high-tech, modular, portable homes. Our goal is to showcase different custom designs like a digital catalog. Step 1. Gather references. For this project, we got 3 images of each home directly from the company. That's our starting point. Step 2. Brainstorm the motion. Since this is a catalog-style animation, I want each home swiping smoothly onto the screen, one by one. Alongside each home, we show the name, price, and a highlight of a tech or sustainable feature. Since it's a complex animation, let's start from scratch. Animate these 3 home images like a digital catalog. Each home should swipe onto the screen one by one. Show the home page, show the home name, price, and a key tag or sustainable feature next to each image. Keep it clean, smooth. And wow, check this out. The homes slide in perfectly one by one. The names, prices, and tag features pop up exactly where I imagined. Kind of satisfying to see the AI take our idea and turn it into a polished digital showcase instantly. It's significantly easier than After Effects for simple tasks and way more controllable than standard AI video generators. And last one, an unmanned hotel app. The client wants a smooth app experience, check-in and digital key. Once you click a button, the check-in screen turns into a generated digital key. For the prompt, generate an interactive smartphone UX/UI prototype. Start with a check-in page, and once the button is clicked, smoothly transition into the digital key page. Perfect. The prototype works exactly like a real app. It's amazing how fast we can see the app functionality in motion without building anything. And it also came up with a design for us. If you're a social media manager, a marketer, or a creator who needs speed and precision, this is a must-try. It turns motion design into something you can direct in real time. I want to know, do you prefer the random style of AI where you just hope for a good result, or this canvas style where you have more control? Let me know in the comments. As for the surprise, sometimes in the next 14 days, I'm gonna pick a random moment to open this video. At that exact second, I'm gonna pick one comment that has 0 likes and give them a free creative plan for a year, which by the way is worth almost $3,000. Let the chaos begin. And as always, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.